have given you 330 likely questions for JAM, and they will give you only 40. You can see that you have been over prepared for physics. That's why I won't be happy with you if you don't do well, though. Especially in physics. First, in the current conductor in the magnetic field. The major thing we need to know here. Number one, F. The first one is moving in the magnetic field. F is QVB sin theta. And then another one again, F is B sin theta. Do you remember how this formula? These two. And this one means a lot of things. It means force on a charge moving in a field depends on the charge, velocity, strength of magnetic field, and the angle. Class, at what angle are we going to have maximum force? Then that's it. Then we have the shunt and multiplier in this one. Shunt. What is shunt? RS is IGRG. All over I minus IG. I mean now. Then we have Gani what? Gani Adams, Love Patricia, or Gani Ahmed. I don't want Adams, Ahmed. Gani Ahmed. You are used to Adams, okay. Gani Adams. And that was Love Patricia. Loves Patricia. For those who are new to it, means we are converting from galvanometer towards ammeter. What do you need? Low resistance in. So get the menu. The multiplier. Multiplier. We have give Vivian hot slab. RM. V over I minus RG. Give Vivian hot slab. Give Vivian hot slab. I give another formula called OSA. Do you remember? So all these are what comes out in this topic. When current is flowing in opposite direction, what do you experience? Repulsion. What is the same direction? Attraction. OSA. Claire, what do we use for making electromagnets? What metal? Soft iron is used for making electromagnets. Why? It can easily be what? Magnetized. And it can easily be what? Magnetized. And can also produce what? Strong magnets. What are the use of electromagnets? Give me one. Electric bell. Thank you, dear. Electric bell. One. Electric bell. Telephone what again? Earpiece. Electric bell. Telephone earpiece. Magnetic relay. Telephone earpiece. Lifting heavy metal. Magnetic separator. Telephone earpiece. Electric bell, telephone earpiece, magnetic relay. Class, moving iron. What does it measure? Is it AC or DC or both? What about moving coil? DC. Moving coil. DC only. Moving iron. DC and AC. Moving coil, what does it use? Permanent magnet, don't forget to. Permanent magnet, moving coil. And then moving iron, what does it use? Temporary magnet. Do you remember sensitivity of a galvanometer? What about spring do we use? Strong or weak? Weak control spring. What about magnet? Strong magnet or weak magnet? Very strong permanent magnet. Do you remember Fleming's left-hand rule? When the first three fingers are placed at right angle, with the fourth finger pointing direction of the field, second finger direction of the current, then thumb will point direction of the motion. Direction of, what do we say for? Direction of motion, so force. Forefinger, field, second finger, current, thumb, motion. What I love about this topic is that it has a lot of acronyms for remembering. Kanye down, love Patricia, give up Vivian slap. Otherwise, it will be a boring topic. You may not get it easily. But with all those acronyms, all those OSA. You will score above 300, amen. I know many of you are stressed. But you don't give up. It's not over until it's over. I said it in math class yesterday. That's why you must not say, I want to relax. Keep on firing, keep on trying until you do your exam. Liverpool and Arsenal were beaten in their houses yesterday. And that was his quiet. And that thing has dented their glory. Just one lost. Nobody thought of that. The whole sporting world were shocked yesterday. But nobody expected Crystal Palace of what people do go to Anfield and beat Liverpool. The odds was that Liverpool must win. And they were beaten. Nobody expected Arsenal to be beaten also at home. Because they have not lost any match this year in Premiership. And they lost. So you don't get to the level that you feel, I'm okay now, I've arrived. No. In fact, the mock of Saturday should speak to you that you are not arrived. You are far. So you have to still be more humble, study more, solve past question. Some of you have started playing now as if you have done jam already. That's dangerous. Question 1. The direction of induced current. No, don't write that one. No. We have not done it. That's electromagnetic induction. Another topic. Sorry, which of the following statements? Which of the following statements? About an electromagnet. Which of the following statements about an electromagnet? About an electromagnet. About an electromagnet is not correct. Is not correct. Is not correct. Option A. It is a temporary magnet. Is not correct. It is a temporary magnet. Option A. It is a temporary magnet. Option B. Its strength depends. Its strength depends on the current. Its strength depends on the currents. Option C, his strength depends on the number of turns in his coil. His strength depends on the number of turns in his coil. His strength depends on the number of turns in his coil. Option D, it has permanent poles. It has permanent poles. It has permanent pole. Class, what's the answer? A. What's the answer? Read the question, let me hear. It's not correct. Electromagnet are made up of what, class? CTL, soft iron, is used for making electromagnet. Soft iron. Class, soft iron, is it temporary magnet or permanent magnet? Oh yeah, read option A, let me hear. So why do you not say it's not correct? Why do you say A? What's option B? That's correct. What's option C? That's correct. What's option D? Because you are made of soft iron, you cannot have permanent anything. So the answer is D, is not correct. Please, all those stories, get them. Oh. Number 2, the main function of the mouthpiece. The main function of the mouthpiece of a telephone. The main function of the mouthpiece of a telephone. Of a telephone is that it converts sound energy. It converts sound energy to option A, mechanical energy. Option B, electrical energy. Option C, chemical energy. Option C, chemical energy. Option D, thermal energy. Class, what's the answer? Electrical energy. Telephone earpiece. Sound to electrical. Number what now? An electric motor. Is a machine that converts. Electric motor is a machine that converts. Option A, electrical energy to chemical. Option A, electrical energy to chemical. Electrical energy to chemical. Option B, kinetic energy to potential energy. 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 Option C, electrical energy to mechanical energy. Electrical energy to mechanical energy. Electrical energy to mechanical energy. Option D, mechanical energy to electrical energy. Mechanical to electrical. Pick one answer. What is the answer? Hey. What allow your fan to rotate is your electric motor. It converts electrical to mechanical. Electric motor. See the way I remember. So you have to define formula for yourself. Electric motor, electrical to mechanical. Can you see that? The right formula for, so because in exam you can forget, can see mechanical to electrical. Yeah, what is salo? Electric motor, electrical to mechanical. That's all. Some years ago, those are the things that will make people to clap. It is not when we finish clap. Because some people miss this one now, and this thing that they thank God, that's true. You know. But now I gave you a formula and they look like when you are not supposed to clap, you will clap. When you are given things that will help you. All right, next question. Number what? The reason for having a large number of turns. The reason for having a large number of turns. The reason for having a large number of turns. The reason for having a large number of turns in the coil of a moving coil galvanometer. The reason for having a large number of turns in the coil of a moving coil galvanometer. In the coil of a moving coil galvanometer is to option A, make the deflection of the needle. Option A, make the deflection of the needle proportional to the current. Option A, make the deflection of the needle proportional to the current. Proportional to the current. Option B. Option B, increase the sensitivity of the galvanometer. 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 I know you can't sleep, I trust you. Option C, decrease the magnetic flux produced. Decrease the magnetic flux produced. Decrease the magnetic flux produced by the magnets. Decrease the magnetic flux produced by the magnets. Decrease the magnetic flux produced by the magnets. Option D, make the permanent magnet stronger. Make the permanent magnet stronger. Oh yeah, pick one answer. You shouldn't miss that. Somebody was asking us to demonstrate which one is 4 finger, which one is 7 finger. This is our thumb. Then the 4 finger is this one. This is 2nd finger. This one is not a finger, it's thumb. Pick one answer, go see. We But pick an answer. Raise your hand. Raise it. But now you should be picking answer. You should be ready for exam. Build your confidence level. Not who has picked answer. Why? Some answers they don't make sense. Remove them. By your class, read the question again. Large number of tons. What's option A? What's option B? What's C? That doesn't make sense. If you pick that, you decide it back. What's D? That one doesn't make sense. The answer is B. Abi? Who got B? Don't lie. Oh. That is it. You increase the area, increase number of tons, use a very strong magnet, and then use what? A weak control spring. Number what? Current is passed through two parallel conductors. Current is passed through two parallel conductors in the same direction. Current is passed through two parallel conductors in the same direction. Current is passed through two parallel conductors in the same direction. Current is passed through two parallel conductors in the same direction. Full stop. If the conductors are placed near each other, 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 they will option A, move in a circle. Option A, move in a circle. Option A, move in a circle. It's almost over. Option B, repel each other. Repel each other. Repel each other. Option C, remain stationary. Remain stationary. Remain stationary. Option D, attract each other. Attract each other. What's the answer? Attract each other.